Open Google and type download Mendeley. Open the first link. Click Download Now for Windows. Select a folder to save the file. The setup is downloaded now. Run the setup. Click Finish to complete the setup. Now open Google and type Mendeley Web Importer. Click the first link. Click Web Importer for Chrome. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. It is added successfully to Chrome. Now open a Word document. Now open Mendeley Reference Manager. Go to Tools and click Install Mendeley Site for Microsoft Word.
Click Get It Now.
It may ask you to sign in. Click Open in Word. In the Home tab, go to Add-ins. Mendeley Site has been added to Microsoft Word. These references are already in my library. Let's add a new one. Open Google and type your topic. Click any article. Let's pin the Mendeley extension in the search bar. Click the Mendeley icon to get this reference. Reference is already selected. Click Add to Mendeley. Open the Word document. Write your text. Go to Add-ins and click Mendeley Site. Our reference is already here. Select the reference and click Insert one citation. To change the citation style, click Citation Settings and then click Change Citation Style. Select any style you want and click Update Citation Style. Now insert the bibliography. Subscribe for more videos.